If you own a local business, it is super important for you to make it as easy as possible for potential customers to find you online. One of the most powerful and free tools to help you do that is Google My Business. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to maximize your Google My Business listing to help attract more customers to your business. The first way to use Google My Business is kind of a no-brainer. It's to optimize your listing. That means having all the accurate information like your hours, your address, your phone number, your website, any pertinent information that somebody would need when they're looking up your category of business on Google. Make sure to include as much information as possible, and if you can, also incorporate some photos and videos of your business to maximize your profile. Next up, keywords and categories. Make sure you fill out as many categories as you can that fit your particular product or service. By using multiple categories, you're going to give yourself a better chance of showing up in relevant searches. This is probably the most important tip I can give you on this. Get as many customer reviews as possible. If somebody is searching for your product or service in their area and your competition has 25 reviews and you only have 2, there's a really good chance that that potential customer is going to go look at your competition first. So do what you can to encourage as many customer reviews as possible. And a bonus tip on that one, respond to every single review, positive or negative. By responding to every review, you'll show potential customers that you actually care what people think about your business, so you can give them the best experience possible. Next up, consider using special offers or promotions in your Google Maps listing. When somebody finds you on Google and one of the first things that they see is an offer to give you a try, there's a really good chance that, combined with those other tips, they'll try you before the competition. The final tip is to be posting updates and events. Things like new products, new services, or even changes to your hours should be updated on your Google listing regularly. Not only will that keep your page fresh and interesting, but it'll also inform your customers about changes that they should know about. So there you go. If you're not using Google My Business to its fullest potential, take these 5 tips and go to town. This is an incredibly powerful free tool that can help you attract customers in your local area for free. If you got any value out of this video, leave me a like. And if you want more video tips just like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much. Catch you later.